right in here.
Well, hello, Maya. So I'm taping you because you are a giggly butt right now.
The dinosaur is in here.
Oh, yeah? I'm not even touching you. I'm not even going to touch you. I'm not even touching you. What do you say? So back to our conversation. Do you go to work to be cute?
No.
Do you go to school? Does somebody teach you how to be so cute? No? Do you clock in and clock out? Did somebody tell you what to do to make your mommy really happy? Somebody must, because you were really good at it.
Meow.
No, goodbye.
Yeah, meow, 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 meow.